Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Raizin, and please stay tuned to see how I did this sexy Jack Sparrow for Halloween. Okay, get into it. So I started off with color correcting, and this is completely optional, but I just wanted to have my base, all the same color. And I'm doing underpainting, so I'm gonna go in with my concealer first. This is the TooFaced Born This Way concealer, and I'm just going over all the places I color correct and all the places I want to highlight as well. And I'm also going in with my Hourglass concealer as well. I'm using the Makeup by Mario contour stick for all of my contouring areas. And I'm blending out the contour first so my concealer can dry down a little bit so it could be more full coverage. And I'm using the Hourglass concealer blending brush so I can blend out all the areas I have all the concealer. And I'm using a beauty blender just to make sure everything is like a smooth transition between the contour and the highlight. Using my Anastasia foundation just to blend in those areas like in between the contour and the highlight, so it can all just blend with that shade that's like my actual skin tone. And now I'm just reinforcing my contour just to have it, just a little more snatched and bring out anything that I lost with the foundation I put on. My mirror got in the way of the camera in some shots, so you'll see that throughout the video. So sorry for that, just trying to use a new setup, see how things work. But now I put concealer under my cheekbones just to have that, sunken jaw effect that Jack Sparrow has. So now that everything's blended, we're going in with powder to set everything. To set my contour, I'm using this bronzer that has like a really rosy reddish tone to it, just to have like that sun-kissed look, because he's a pirate, he out in the sun every day, and if you just look at pictures, you see he has like a reddish tint to his skin tone. And right here, I'm just baking my nose contour because I just love a snatch nose with any look I do. Totally optional, but this is how you do it if you want to get a snatch nose. And we're gonna bake under our cheekbones as well to get that sunken jaw look to be reinforced. So with brows, it wasn't really anything different or special. You could draw them however you want. I just did mine a tad bushier than normal. But what I did was I used my Benefit brow pencil just to outline the shape, and I used my dip brow from Nyx to actually fill in the hairs. And the hairs specifically in the front of the brow, I went back in with the pencil to have more, realistic. And then I also used a NYX brow gel just to put the brows in place. And I went in with my concealer to carve out the brows, just to have them snatched and cleaned up. And now I'm using my pencil brush that's actually like a paintbrush to blend out that concealer that we used to carve out the brows. And I'm just buffing out the rest of that concealer just to make sure it's blended. Now, on to the eyes. I'm using this Jaclyn Hill palette that I've had literally for years. And it's pretty simple, really. I'm kind of doing like a sunset eye. You know, a smoky ombre with brown, orange, and yellow, just to have some dimension to it. So you see, I'm just going in with that brown and I'm smoking it out. And then I'm going to go into this other Morphe palette for that burnt orange. And then I'm going to go in with the light orange and then a yellow on top of that. And you'll see how the ombre, you know, effect shows up. Now, if you look at pictures of Jack Sparrow, it's going to look like he just has like black eyeliner smudged all over, which he technically does. But this is a sexified version of Jack Sparrow, so I want it to be a little extra. But as you can see, I am putting black eyeshadow on my lash line just to add to that brown that we had and to really just pull the whole look together. Now I'm just using NYX eyeliner. I'm not doing a wing or anything. I'm just reinforcing the black on the lash line. And so after I put on my mascara, I'm just going to go over and dust off all the powder I had baking on my face all around and make sure everything is blended. And now I'm going in with Fenty Beauty, my face powder that is almost gone, just to set everything and to also just neutralize any colors that are just too yellow or too brown from the powder I use for the contour or the highlight. I sprayed some Milk Hydro Grip just to have all the powder set in, and now I'm going in with eyeliner pencil. We're basically going to smoke out the waterline, and we're using some black eyeshadow on a pencil brush to reinforce that with the eyeliner. Put some mascara on my bottom lashes, and also noticed that Jack Sparrow had this like red X on one of his cheeks. So I just used this graphic liner palette that's water activated just to draw the X, and I didn't really do much else. Like, it was pretty simple for that. And I'm lining my lips. I chose to do this brown lip gloss color just because I just thought it looked cool. Of course, he's not wearing any lipstick or lip gloss, but like I said, we're being sexy, and I just thought this would look good with the look. And this is completely optional, but I just went in with some Raizin plum colored blush to finish it off. So, fit details. This skirt is from H&M. The top I got from a thrift store, I think. The vest, the green vest, is from Urban Outfitters. And all the accessories I either got from my mom or I just had for years. Like, this is all just stuff you can add on and just play with it. And I just wanted to make it, you know, a sexy version. Like, the word is sexy here, okay? We're being a sexy Jack Sparrow, okay? And this is how everything came out. Okay, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have everything in the description box. But this is just, you know, a sexy Jack Sparrow. You know, I don't have to be too literal with the mustache and everything. And it's perfect for girls with box braids or anyone with any type of hair like this. And yeah, thank you so much. Please like, subscribe. Please comment. Let me know if this was helpful. And please follow me on all my socials. Thank you. Love you. Bye. I did a photo shoot for this look, so go check it out on all my socials. Okay, love you. Bye.